Mr. Silva, when did the pain start?
Just yesterday, doctor. It is not so bad.
Okay. And do you have any other symptoms? Fever? Nausea?
No, nothing else.
Let me check your file. The nurse wrote that you had a fever last night, 39 degrees.
Oh, yes, maybe a small fever.
And she also wrote that you vomited twice this morning.
I did not want to worry you.
Mary, I need the truth to help you. This information is very important.
I am sorry, doctor. I was scared.
I understand, but without the correct information, I can give you the wrong treatment. Can you tell me everything now?
Yes, the pain started 4 days ago. I also have fever, nausea, and I feel very weak.
Thank you. That helps a lot. Based on this, I need to run some tests today. We will find the problem and treat it correctly.
I am sorry I lied.
It is okay. Now we can really help you.